Hello creative enthusiasts! I'm thrilled to guide you through a fun and easy tutorial on how to sew your very own seat cushions. So let's jump right in. You'll need some foam that you cut into the shape of your seat, or reuse foam from your old seat cushion. Draw around the padding on your selected fabric that is sturdy, but also comfortable. Then add about 1 centimeter sewing allowance and cut around the shape. Cut 2 of them and put them wrong sides together. Then prepare your bias tape that should be about 1 centimeter when folded. Measure about 20 centimeters for ties and start pinning the bias tape at the back corner of the cushion. When it's prepared, start sewing. Go around the whole length of the bias tape. If you have a sewing machine at your disposal, great. But don't worry if you don't. Hand stitching is also an option. Just make sure your stitches are neat and secure. Now it's time to insert the padding. We sew the cover slightly smaller than the actual padding, so the finished cushion looks nice and plump. Fold the foam inside at the back where you'll be working now, so it's easier to sew it closed. Fold the ties back and start pinning new bias tape. Start where the front ties finish so no raw fabric edges will show. Pin along the back of the cushion and then sew. Lastly, adjust the padding to the right place. And there you have it. Your very own homemade seat cushion is ready for use. Share how yours turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching.